Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025 and want to buy Bitcoin safely and easily, you're in the right spot. Today, we're focusing on using the Zengo wallet, which has evolved with cutting-edge features like AI-powered security and seamless integration for beginners. Let's get started. First off, why Zengo? It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you hold your own keys, reducing risks from exchanges. Plus, with 2025's updates, it includes advanced fraud detection to protect your investments. Super handy in this fast-paced crypto landscape. Step 1. Head to your App Store and download the Zengo app. It's available for both iOS and Android, and the process is straightforward. Just search, download, and install. Step 2. Open the app and create a new account. You'll set up a secure PIN or use Face ID for authentication. This step is quick but crucial for keeping your funds safe. Step 3. Verify your identity. In 2025, regulations are tighter, so you'll upload a government ID or complete a facial scan. Don't skip this, it's for your protection. Step 4. Link a payment method. You can connect your bank account, credit card, or even another crypto wallet. Zengo supports multiple options with low fees, making it user-friendly. Step 5. Now, search for Bitcoin in the app's interface. Select the amount you want to buy, review the current price and any transaction fees, then confirm your purchase. It usually processes in minutes. Once you're done, remember to enable two-factor authentication and monitor your portfolio. Crypto can be volatile, so always buy what you can afford to lose. There you have it. That's how to buy Bitcoin in Zengo in 2025. If this guide helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.